Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add an issue reference to another issue inside your repository on GitHub. So let us dive into this. So head over to your repository on GitHub, navigate to the Issues tab and select the issue you would like to connect with another one. Now, by using it as a reference, guys, I don't mean that you convert the issue into a parent issue of another sub-issue. It's not that. It's not a relationship type of connection. It's just that you use it as a reference in the given issue's description or comment section. This is how you can do it. So access the given issue, and after that click into the given comment section here where it says write. And here what you want to do, guys, is simply use the reference feature here inside that tab. There it is. That's the reference tab. Click into it and select any other issue you would like to use as a reference inside that description box. Let me go with this item here. And there you go. You will see the reference here. You can skip to the next line and simply use that button. Alternately, instead of using that button here, and select the issue here and leave it as a comment. And now you will see the reference here. So if I click into it or hover my mouse over it, you will see the reference item here as an overview or a thumbnail. And that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.